You gonna throw it again, Ewan?
A wood cabinet,
Yeah, you can make it.
A wood cabinet.
Yeah, you can make a wood cabin. With the Lincoln logs right there and everything.
Do it, Darling.
Yes, you can. You can do it.
Darling, I can't do it.
Why can't you do it?
This. And wrong with this.
Can you do it? You're doing a good one. Yes, you can, you silly. Here. Start with the base.
I can't make it. Can you help me, Darling?
Sure, I'm helping you right now, silly. Here, we'll make a base. Okay.
Okay.
Gonna put this one on top of this one, Ewan?
Yes.
Put that one.
I'm gonna start building my cabin.
Oh, look at that. That's nice.
Can you put on this side though?
Okay. We'll put that one
Darling, can
here.
you please help me?
Yes, darling.
Get another stick. Can I get one of those sticks that you no?
The one that Ewan has?
Yeah.
Ewan, can I borrow one of these, please?
Like,
Just one for Logan. There you go.
me 4.
4. Can we see the rest of them, please? Thank you. Here's 2 more. I don't know where the other one is, though, honey.
Also one for the piece.
Here.
No, that Logan has.
All right. We'll see here.